In this video, I show you how to fix Alight Motion app not opening problem, not working problem. For fixing this problem, first of all, go to Play Store, search for Alight Motion, tap on Alight Motion. Now up to date your Alight Motion app. If available any update version, then go to your phone settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps, scroll down, find out Alight Motion, tap on it, tap on force stop, then OK. Then tap on storage and cache, clear cache, then clear storage, then delete. Now open your Alight Motion app. Now I hope that this method fix Alight Motion not opening or Alight Motion not working problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.